We live in Malmo.
Yes.
And Malmo is known for its liberal view on graffiti.
Yes, I love that.
Me too.
And especially for young people,
Yeah.
they have so much more energy, and I can feel they love that kind of style, and
Yeah.
it's so cool, so modern. I admire them. I want to be
me too.
one of them.
Me too.
I want
And
to try.
Yeah, me too. And what I really like is that I like the very good graffiti, the arty graffiti, but I mostly like the raw graffiti where they just use pen and they hurry because it's not totally legal. And that expression I really like.
Yes, we will try it.
Yeah, we will try it ourselves. And watch. We decided to paint on the not very expensive IKEA boxes called Knagglig instead of a wall. First we have to buy the material. Since the spray paint has a strong smell and it's dangerous to inhale, we decided the balcony would be the best place to paint the ground layer.
Unfortunately, the wind was very strong this day, so we ran into some problems. The protective plastic was way too thin, so it was almost impossible to attach it to the floor. And the wind took almost every color pigment away.
We decided to change our strategy, so we took the boxes inside and painted them with ordinary paint instead. The good thing with this raw style we're looking for is that you don't have to be so meticulous.
When the paint dried, we use a heavier plastic protection. Now the fun part started. Look at the light, the color, amazing, really practical and artistic.
Wow! We must say that this exceeded our expectation. And the best thing is that if you think you did a bad job, just go over it again with pens and colors and everything. Every layer just makes it better.
Yes, it's amazing and exciting. Hope you liked this idea. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. That's so hard.